Hi, this is Warren Greshus with the fourth in a series of video selling tips, guaranteed to help you make great sales presentations that will increase your odds of closing the sale. One of the worst times to ask for referrals is when you have just closed a sale. I know this runs counter to many other theories on referrals, but my feeling is you've just gotten the prospect to agree to buy from you. They've signed a contract or written you a check, and now you're asking for more? What a pig! Besides, at this point, you've given them no evidence at all that they will be taken care of and serviced beyond their expectations. Plus, what happens if, between the time you get the referral and contact those people, your client has a bad experience? You better believe they'll pass that info on. Why not wait until after you've delivered your product or service, developed a relationship, and the customer has a chance to witness the high level of service and professionalism that can be expected of you and your company? You have given the customer something, they're feeling good about it, and will be in a frame of mind to give you something. Another good time to ask for referrals is when you've just been turned down on a sales call. Heck, you have nothing to lose. You can't be any deader than dead. Second, most people feel bad about saying no and would love to say yes to anything, especially something that won't cost money. Plus, you must remember, just because a prospect doesn't have a need for your product or service, they might know someone who does. If you want to learn how to get more referrals, attend my webinar, Face-to-Face Selling, Make Great Presentations and Close More Sales, on Thursday, June 16th at 12 noon Eastern Time. For more information and how to sign up, click the link on this page.